Welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now, a few weeks ago, I had quite a few emails from people who subscribe to my channel inquiring what am I going to do with my banana plants in winter. Now, as you can see, this red banana, the most tender one, it must be about 15 foot high. What I tend to do when it comes to winter, because this is in a pot here, so I will cut all these leaves back, okay, and I will take it in to my greenhouse, which is just up there. God almighty, these leaves, you're talking, must be about 1.5 meters high. Now, the second one I've got here, which also in a pot, is my hardy green banana. Now, this one isn't as tall, but the leaves are definitely over 1 meter. I will do exactly the same thing to this one. I will take this in, leave the leaves as it is now, take it in, mulch it, put it in the greenhouse. Now, I've also got a smaller version of that one. Give this about a few months, next year, and it's going to get, the leaves are going to get to that size. Now it comes to my favourite one I've got here. Now, last time you was with me, my ornamental yellow banana, it was in flowering. Now this is going to keep flowering for at least till over winter, I would reckon, because I'm going to put that into the greenhouse as well. So the leaves I will leave exactly the same. I'll just feed it and leave it, and these will just keep opening up. The bees loves it. Until next time.